Okay, what's up guys? Today I've got a cool video and I'm just going to describe what you're about to see. This is after the fact, with the catfish. So in this video I will be doing something I don't usually like to do, I don't usually do. I end up fishing for catfish. And I do this because the pond is so flooded, everything's flooded and all the bass aren't really biting. I take a couple casts and then I just decide to switch to some hot dogs and I end up catching I think 8 catfish. And so just wanted to let you know that on my channel I usually won't be doing this, but this is just a cool opportunity. I had my GoPro with me, so enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and go subscribe. Thank you. Hey, is there a red dot going on my GoPro? Yeah. Okay, it's blinking? Yeah. Oh, got one. I don't know how to use a lefty.
That's the same one.
No, they're all different ones. They're just all.
Yeah, I got one.
No. Just let it sit. Make sure you let it sit for a while. Here. Southern Outcast here. What's up, guys? So we've gotten 3 catfish. It's right after a storm. It's been storming off and on. See, the pond is really flooded. Bro. Oh, you got one? It's a shark.
No, it just can't let go.
You got. Oh, something took it. Something took mine. Nice. That's smaller, a bunch smaller. I'm gonna try to actually grab him. Oh, never mind. Bro, you got it deep. Yeah, like pretty darn deep. What?
I do the same thing to my women. Where's the other part?
Somewhere. Over there. They're over there. Oh, there's one. Oh, this is super tiny, guy. Got one. Dude, oh man. I had all the bait until the end.
I'm still gonna be fishing.
In the rain right now? It'll go away in like 10 minutes.
So Carson, where's the hot dogs at?
I think that's one. Yeah, I told you. Ah, nice.
Oh, Mr. Biggins. Oh, I've already caught this today.
How do you know? Oh, wait, how do you know?
No, I caught. We both caught it.
No, I caught it.
No, I caught it.
No, I caught it. Those, no, one line caught it.
What?
But I caught it first because you didn't.
No, I caught it first.
You didn't feel a tug.
Yes, I did. I saw it getting tight.
Yeah, but Tanner.
I was the one that pointed it out to him. I don't know. That's funny.
I think I caught it.
I think I caught it.
You've already caught it this day before that. It's bleeding and stuff.
I mean,
Oh, a part of it's been got ripped off.
Or maybe Carson, again, didn't.
that means there's other big fish in this pond.
Yeah, I know. There's a bunch of fish in this pond. Maybe it was that, again, Carson didn't set the hook in time and just let it swallow it. And that's why it's bleeding. I can't believe it ate both of y'all's.
Get all this crap off
Why did I just run so violent? That's not my fault. It swallowed your hook, not mine.
That's true.
No, I caught it.
Okay, I'm gonna open this mouth and get close up.
No, I'm gonna open it.
Go on.
That's not my fault. It's definitely your fish's fault. What makes you decide?
I think that's,
Hold on.
guys, I think that's 5 for me. I don't know. Why don't we let people on YouTube decide who caught it?
I think it's a puppy.
Never mind. There's another one.
Okay, hold on.
Reel it in!
Here's my 6th one. I've caught more than half of them, guys. Hey, y'all want to see if dog poop actually works for catching fish?
I was thinking about that.
Yeah, because I saw that on like second.
What? There's one.